Hello, today I'm going to pick this Fichet-Bauche MxB French safe lever lock. Okay, let's start the interactive now. I think there was a small click. Yes. Okay. We lost the feedback on normal levers. So I've tapped the interactive. It clicked a little. Now I'm back to having feedback on the other levers for now. At least on some of them. Okay, interactive again. Didn't sound like much happened, but the feedback is back. Bear with me because it's going to take a while. I reckon probably like 30 minutes plus. These levers are really tapered. Heavy tension does help to some degree, but I don't think you can pick it that fast. With heavy tension, also you risk oversetting some levers. What can be in fact recovered, and I will probably do it later, but it's unpleasant and you risk dropping some other levers. Okay. Let's stop the interactive. Not sure if that did anything. Maybe. I have feedback. What about this one behind the tensioner? It's very springy. The lever slot that I am using for tensioning happens to have a lever that is the least tapered of all of them, I think. So that's a good place for our tensioner. But it can be accessed somewhat this way. If you need interactive again, maybe a little click. Okay, we have feedback. We do have feedback, in fact. Oh, this lever is not happy. Okay. Okay. Everything is good. Good feedback on levers 4 and 5 for now. 4 again, 5, 4. Okay, no longer. 6. 6 is okay. 7 is okay. 1. 1 is okay. 2. 2 is okay. 3. Small click. 4, 5 clicks. 6, 7 is good. 1 is good. Good feedback here. Good feedback. some click on the interactive, I think. Binding hard. Good. Binding. Okay. Let's up the tension. This one's good. This one's good. Feedback here. Binding. My hands. This needs a really heavy tension for the picking not to take a few hours. Interactive. I think it's good practice to sometimes tap the interactive. I feel like the feedback is better on other levers than... good one. Good one again. This lever is good. This one is still okay. Small click here. Good click. Again. Interactive. The spring of the interactive is way stronger than the springs on other levers. So I think what's happening is that this interactive lever with her heavy spring dampens the feedback on other levers, because the feedback is way better without this lever. Okay, what about number one? It was binding. That's why there wasn't any feedback. Another binder. Maybe it's one again. No, one is okay. One slightly binding. Two as well. Three not. Four is binding really nicely. Nothing on 5. Nothing on 6. Nothing on 7th. Let's click the interactive. Small click there. 2 is binding hard. Let's not overset it. Okay, it's good. 3 is good. 4 a click. Sounds good. One was binding. Four binding, nothing 5, nothing 6, nothing 7. Yes. One again. Okay. Good. Click. Click out of 2. Nothing 3. 4 is binding. A little click on 5. Nothing 6. Nothing 7. Interactive. Small click, I think. Nothing 1. Nothing 2. Nothing 3. The 4 was binding. 5 as well. 4 again. 5, 4, 6. Nothing 7. Interactive. One is binding nicely. Good click. Which one is next? 4, of course. I think it's those two for now. Okay, they aren't binding though. 2 is. Okay. 3 isn't. 4 isn't. 5 isn't as well. 6 maybe a little bit. Not 7. 1 was binding. 2 is binding slightly. 3 is good. 4 not binding. 5 isn't binding as well. 6 was a little bit interactive. Little click. What about 1? Click. Click out of 2. Click out of 6 for sure. 7 is good. Click out of 1. 2 is good. 3 is good. 4. Small click, nothing in 6. 5, nothing in 6. Maybe interactive again. Click out of 1. 2 is good. 4, click. Nothing 5, nothing 6. Nothing in 7. What about 1? Small click. 2 is good. 3 is good. Small click on 4. Nothing on 5. 6 is good. 7 is good, interactive. Maybe a small click. 1 is good. 2 is binding. 2 is good. 3 is good. 4 was binding. 5 is good. 6 is good. 7 is good. 1 is good. 2 small click. I mean a good click. 4 is good. 5 is good. 6 is good. 7 is good, interactive. There was a click. Small click on 1. Good binding. It's good now. 2 is good. 3 I mean. Nothing 4. Nothing 5. Nothing 6. Nothing on 7. Two is binding. It's good now. Good, 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 interactive. One is good. Click out of 2. And it's good now. 3 is good. 4 is good. Nothing on 5. And 6. And 7. I think I'm picking 2 and the interactive now. 2 is good. Is it binding or? Yeah, it's springing in. Okay, 2 is good. Let's check 1. Hey, it's good. 3 is okay. 4 binding. 5 is good. Awesome click out of 6. 4. Some click out of 5. Click out of 6. Okay, it's good now. Interactive. Seems to be good. 1 is good. 2 is binding. Click. 3. 3 is good. 4 is good. 5 is good. This one is binding. Good click here. 4, 5 good. 6 good, of course. 7 is good. What about the interactive? It's okay. 1 good. 2 is binding. Okay, good click. 3 is okay. for a little binding. 5 is good. Click out of 6. I think we are nearing the open. Click out of 2. 3 is good. Click out of 4. 5 is good. Yep. Click out of 6. 7 is good. One is good. So click out of 2. 3 is good. 4 is good. 5 is good. 6 is good. Interactive. 1. 1 is good. 2. 2 is good. 3 is good. 4, 5. I don't feel the binder, any binder. 2 is good. Let's up the tension even more. 3 is good, for sure. Maybe a small click on 4. 5 is good. That could be a click out of 5. That is good now. 7 is good. Interactive. One is good. 2 is binding. Okay, click there. Small click on 3, I think. Small click on 4. Click on 5. 6 is good. 7 is good. 1 is good. 2 is good. 3 is good. 4 is good. 5 binding hard. It's good now. 6 is good. 7 is good. Let's check the interactive. 2. It could have been binding. Not sure. 3 is good. 4 is good. 5 was binding. Let's position the peak differently. Overset, but it's okay. Okay, it seems to be good now. Good, good, interactive. 1 is good. 2 is good. 3 is good. 4 is good. Good binding. This one's good. 7's good. One's good. 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 Is it overset? I don't think so. Maybe. I think it's good, but let's check it. No, it's good. What about you? Good. Good. Interactive, maybe? It's good. 1. 1 is good. 2 is okay. 3 is okay. 4 is okay. Could click there again, but I don't feel any binders other than that's 5. That's a bit strange. Let's up the tension. Oh, 4 was binding now. Okay, good click. Nothing in 4. Is it overset? Yeah, probably. No, it doesn't seem to be really overset. Maybe it was a little bit. Interactive. Nothing there, I think. 1. Good. 2. Slightly binding. 3. Slightly binding again. 2 is good now. 3 is binding. Not slightly. Seems to be good. Click out of 4. 3 as well now. Slight click out of 2. Good click. Nothing. Nothing interactive. I'm afraid that this tensioner is going to sleep. It happens to me before. My palms are sweaty. Okay, 2 is good. 3. Binding, hard. It's good now. 4. Binding, 5. Okay, I felt some shift on the core, so we might be nearing. Seriously now. 4. A little binding. Is this good now? Not yet, but it's binding really hard. Okay, it's good now. 6, you're good. 7 is good. Interactive is good. What about 1? It's good. 2 is good. 3 is good. 4 is good. 5 hard to tell if it's picked. I mean, if it's just somewhat binding, I think it's okay. It's not overset. It's just binding that hard. Okay. 1 is good. 2 is good. 3 is good. 4 was binding. 5 was binding. 6 is good. 7 is good. Interactive. Nothing. 1 is good. 2 is good. 3 binding. It's good. 4 is good. 5 is good. 3 good. 4 click. 5 click. Click. Good. 5 is good. 6 good. 7 good. 1 good. 2 good. 3 binding. Click. Click. Click 4. Click 5. Click on 3. Nothing on 4. Click on 5. Click on 3. 4 nothing. 5 nothing, I think. What about 6? Click now. Nothing. 7. 1 is good. 2 is good. 3 is good. 4 binding. It was binding hard. 5 binding. This was good. 6 is good. 7 is good. Interactive. Good. 1 good. 2 good. 3 maybe binding. 5 4 I mean good. 5 is good. What is binding now? Good. 7 good. Interactive. Good. 1 good. 2 good. 3 binding. More tension. It's good. 4 binding hard. 5 good. Here good, 4, good, 3, good, 4, good, 5 is good, 6, good, 7 good, I think so, 1, good, interactive, good, 2, 2 is good, 3, good, 4, 3, 3 is good, 4, 4 is good, 5, small click, 6, good, 7, good, interactive, good, 1, good, 2 is good, 3, a good buddy, it's binding, it's good, 4, was binding, up the tension, good, 3, okay, 3 good, 4, good, 5, click, 6, good, 7, is good, interactive, good, 1, good, 2, good, 3, click, 5, 4, good, 5, click, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4. Yes! Yes! We got it open. Oh my. How long? 40 minutes? Oh, not so bad. Let's see. Careful now, careful. Not to take it out of frame. Okay, let's do this with the light. Let's switch the focus. Okay. Oh, my tensioner shot out of the keyway. I mean, out of the... Oh. I don't think comfortable doing that. Okay, let's rest the lamp on my head and grab the tensioner. Shit, I don't see. Oh. Sorry. I need to do it this way, I think. Okay, tensioner should be here. Yes, then. I don't see it. I mean, okay, it's turning now. Maybe I'll just do it with the flag, or maybe better not. Oh, sorry, it's taking so long. The lamp is in my face, so you can see the giveaway, and the phone is also obstructing my vision. Do you see? I think you do. let's not break it. Okay, pick. And it's picked. It wasn't easy and it wasn't short, but we did it. Now carefully. Carefully. Up. I can't afford to take it out of frame. Okay, the frame is good. So yeah, let's take it out of the vise. Put it here so you can see it. And now put it here. Can I do it? Yeah. Okay. Now let's get this lock. And there's like 4 Torx 15 screws here. They hold the plate in place. Okay, one more here. Now we need to take the Torx 10. No, it was Torx 20, sorry. Now we get Torx 10. And we unscrew these screws. I'm nervous that I will mess something up, but it seems to be good. Okay, these screws here, let's say, with the thingy. There's a ball bearing. Let's put it here. Let's put the faceplate here. I mean, the back plate rather. Okay, let's unscrew these screws now. Let's put them here. Okay, the other one here. And now I think we'll change the angle a bit. Up. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. I hope you see everything well. Now we have this plate. Maybe this angle isn't that good. This plate has some prongs that fit onto the springs. Let's put it here. Now let's... Okay, so we want to go clockwise, as I was naming them during the picking. So it's reversed, so that's the number 1. Okay. It will be, that's the interactive. I think it will be better to take it out of the housing first. It's easy enough. Okay. So I can access them better. So yeah, now that will be number 1. Let's help also ourselves with the pick. That's 1. Fuck. My ball bearing. This orientation maybe. I think it's good enough. So now three. Four. Five. Let's take the springs first. It's okay, interactive will have to be here. And now it will be quicker this way, I think. Okay. Good. Is it in frame? Yes. Now the interactive. I haven't ever took this out. Okay. Thanks. That's how it's supposed to be. Yeah, I guess. Oh, one ball bearing. Where is it from? Here we have our bearing. Here as well. Here, of course. It should then there. Ah, this ball bearing is from here. It was, yes, from this. Sorry. I'm a little bit, I guess, nervous that I got this lock on the feet. Okay, so it looks better this way, I think. What do we have here? There's our housing with the bearing, which came from, it's a small bearing. It was probably in this slot. Yes. Yeah, but okay. There we have the core, like that. Let's fix the lighting a little bit. Okay. There's our housing. The interactive goes here. And that's our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. there's the housing, and the reason I think it takes so long, to be exact, these serrations. What's weird to me is that there's like two serrations on top of this channel where these bits go into when the lock is picked. You see? These levers, I mean. So when you pick it, only one serration comes into play, and what it does, it's making the picking more longer, just because like you pick the levers to here, I think, at first. It's an awkward angle. Like the tapering comes into play 2 times, 3, including this part of the picking, where you pick it so they can when you rotate them first, so they sit like here properly, instead of being like that. When you rotate them, the tapering comes into play. Then when you pick it, the tapering is on the tapering comes into play on the serration, and then in this channel for these thingies on the levers. And yeah, making a tensioner for this lock is also a pain in the ass a little bit. I mean, it's not so bad, but it could be better. The core is fairly deep in the housing. I measured it, I don't remember, but it's like, I can show you my tensioners. It's like this deep. What's interesting, and I think not intentional, is that these channels are of different widths. I mean that I made a tensioner for this and it fits perfectly in here, but it doesn't fit here, here, here. It does fit here, it doesn't fit here, and it doesn't fit here. And this tensioner with like that is perfect in this slot, and that's the one I used for the most of the picking. I mean, I think for the whole picking. I don't remember, it took long. Okay, so that would be the Fichet MxB. Let's do some close-up. Okay, that's our levers. Piece of. Okay, that's our levers with the springs. That's the plate with the prongs, screws, back plates, that's the core, screws, back plate, interactive lever, and the housing. Okay, I think that's it. Thank you very much. I know it took long, but I hope it was worth it. Have a great day, I hope, and bye bye. Oh, maybe I'll show you the key first. That's how it looks like. It has angles here. These peaks like a mountain peak, not like a lockpick. And they correspond to how much the lever is rotated. And then you have these plates, let's say, which push the lever inside. It's pretty cool mechanism actually. So once again, okay, these are my tensioners. It's pretty simple, but they have to fit really well, otherwise you are going to be very unhappy when they slip out when you are nearing the end of the picking. And that's the pick I used. It's an honest donk flag, but I've modified it slightly. First thing, it's steeper angle here on these parts here, so I can grab the lever better, and I have also made it slightly thinner, like the shaft. It works well enough. You can like sort of rotate the levers and grab the thingies, I guess this way, and oh yeah, that's like you push them inside. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Have a wonderful day and bye bye.